Should be live now, guys. 8 degrees here today. Don't know how I can make that any clearer for you. There. Over near the ocean, looking at some buffalo lawns. You can tell this one gets fertilised regularly. And my one not so much. But a month of growth, just taking the top off. So just enough, keeping the weeds at bay. Keeping the thing nice and neat and tidy. Big day, big day today. Going right through it and trying to do the figures. There's a few big lawns. The thing is here too, the route density isn't as good as it is in sort of the little hometown that we're residing in. It's over Port Macquarie, this one, and it's a little bit further in between houses. So I'm just looking at the list now, and we shall see if I can get it done before 3. Righto guys, we're up to the edging job. We got this one down on the corner. Got about 15 minutes on that, so I'll do that one first. Then we got this one right here. I'm going to see what I can do with the cameras on top on the tripod setup. Either put it on the back toolboxes or on the trailer. I'll try and get the majority of this in the picture for you. And if not, I might have to set it up across the road, and then I'll use this GoPro for some detail work. But anyway, it's going well. What is it? Let's see, 10 to 10. And this will be number 8 on the corner, and then this one here, number 9. So with that, that's well and truly on schedule. 11 o'clock is our halfway point, and we'll have 9 done by then. All going well, depending on this camera setup, I guess. And then yeah, it's just the 8 on the other side of the page there to go, and there's a few smaller ones with that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this edging. Thanks for watching. Bye. Righto, as quick as I can talk for you guys. There's my little tripod setup. We've got some nice footage here, nice overhead footage. There's the edge, right? You're going to see it on the other footage there. Now that's all snipper. So that other camera picked all that up. This is now on the GoPro. And the whole way along and up, the whole way. No need for an edger. After a while, in my opinion, it is a lot better. Sorry for you looking in the sun there. And a lot quicker. That's where the efficiency comes in. You're not having to go back to the ute for another tool. You pretty much just away you go. Once you do a few passes with this on properties, you know the width that you need to give. So on corners, you give it that little bit more with a snipper, and make sure you're gonna get every last little bit of grass blade. So really, this has been trained for a while now, like a few years, but every lawn that we do is with the snipper, and they all get trained the exact same way. This is a buffalo lawn that's struggling a little bit with the cold temperatures, and it didn't really get a feed this season because with all of the rain it didn't need it, but there's a few weeds we're going to treat very shortly, just starting to creep in. So all in all, enjoy some mowing footage now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let's see if you can see the time today. All done, guys. So that's with moving the camera around and everything. All blowed down, all looking crisp. And the other property on the corner, all done. We can't really see the lines from here, but what a beautiful property. Always enjoy mowing this lawn. Even when I had the 19-inch Honda, it was exciting. Just nice curves, nice look about it. Everything about it is enjoyable. All about enjoying that mow, isn't it? So we'll go move along to this next lawn. Thank you for watching this episode. Try and get more tomorrow. Tomorrow, like I said, we got some commercials. And what else we got? 12 other residentials. So with the hopefully you're probably going to get some Gary V here in a minute. Hopefully I can get some footage as a spare block and some commercial sites, so I'll get some footage there. And tomorrow's probably our most lucrative for this week. That's all dependent on what I do Thursday and Friday, of course, but Friday's
1-3. Wait till the meta.
Alright, we're gonna have to edit that part out. There was some language straight away. Oh, good old Gary V. Righto guys, I've packed everything away, but I thought I'll tag this in front in case I didn't talk about it earlier. I'll check out the footage, and if I have, then I'm wasting your time right now. I'll just sit this up here, I think. That'll do. Got the trusty clipboard. So the reasons as to why I'm able to achieve these times even here where I've got longer runs in between visits. There's pairs together. There's 3. This is 1, 2, another one over there next door. So 3 just here. Keeps me busy. Probably I aim for 1:15 because one of them's just edges, not mowing. So I gain a bit of time there. And then this one to the right of me is fairly large. One to the left is just a little bit awkward with the hill. But I'll get out now, I'll get the mower, especially when the lawn isn't too long. Just helps me get ahead with that stander, just to really get the bulk done. And then the polish with the whippersnipper can be done after the fact, and the amount of debris left and green waste left doesn't mean you have to edge first. Come summer, then yes, definitely edge first. It's too long, too much of a mess, and too much grass clippings left on top of the actual lawn itself. So don't know why I'm doing so many hand actions. But that's the reason why. So on schedule, I've got now 1, 2, 3. That's including these 3. 4, 5, 6. All right, 11:30, and we'll see where we end up. I might just do a little sign off when I actually finish the day, what time it is. Thanks, guys. Bye. Yeah, and that's a wrap. That's a wrap, guys. 1:54. Add half an hour to that though. There was one lawn today that it's too frostbitten, wasn't worth getting on. Spoke to the owner, said we'll give it another month, mate. He said no worries. So I said all right. So that's it, done. I could do more, of course. So if I wasn't recording YouTube episodes and had that to edit when I went home, I can just add Thursday's lawns, a couple of those. There's only just 2, like literally 5, or yeah, less than 5 minutes just around this bend. And from there it's bang, 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 bang for Thursday. So it's just a matter of, in the future, I've got this play up my sleeve, and obviously the lawns aren't as long as what they're going to be. So we've got an hour here, and within that hour, that extra 5 minutes here and there on a couple of lawns, that'll all add up, and that 3 o'clocker for the 16 is going to be on the money so far for the last 2 days. So that's good to know. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. See you next time, tomorrow. Bye.